Welcome back to Morning Markets on Thursday the 16th of March. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on Credit Suisse and the key developments which we've seen over the last 24 hours with context of the impact on broader markets. One of the key developments over the last 24 hours has been the material fall in government bond yields. Government bond yields and price move inversely to one another, so this fall in yields has been supportive of total government bond returns and therefore supportive of multi-asset returns at a time when equities have been under pressure. The reason why bond yields have been falling is because expectations have evolved in terms of the monetary policy tightening environment. This is a view that the peak or the monetary policy tightening cycle which is currently underway in developed markets may need to come to an end prematurely. And the reason for this is because we're starting to see pressures emerge in certain parts of the market. The focus yesterday was in Credit Suisse, a European bank. Whilst through the course of this week we've been discussing Silicon Valley Bank, the focus yesterday was in Europe. The reason why Credit Suisse was in the spotlight was because one of their largest investors, the Saudi National Bank, made a statement that they would not be providing additional capital investment to the bank. On that, share price in the bank fell 24% on the day. The Swiss National Bank have offered support and a backstop by way of a $54 billion package of loans and short-term liquidity fund access. This is to help shore up confidence and liquidity in the market, allowing the bank to buy back their own debt at this point in time. This is an important development given today we will have the decision from the European Central Bank. The expectation at this point in time is the European Central Bank will look to raise interest rates today by 0.5%. The final decision and the commentary around that will be important for the pathway of how this feeds into their approach of challenging and tackling inflation whilst seeking not to fragment the economy at this point in time. We'll continue to keep you updated on these developments in morning markets tomorrow. Another development through the course of yesterday was the UK spring budget for 2023. We'll have a broader focus on this in this week's podcast, so please do tune in to the Do More With Your Money show on Friday. Thank you very much for watching.